Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show the live demo of IV chart and open interest chart. So you can access that using advanced option chain. After logging into your account, click on advanced option chain. Choose the expiry you want. I will choose current week expiry, that is 25th June 2020. So to open the Straddle chart, click on the current price, like the purple color is the current spot price. So 10,400 to open straddle chart of 10,400, click on this price, either CE or PE. So if you click, it will open something like this. So you can see 10,400 CE and 10,400 PE chart has opened. So this golden color is the option price of the CE, and here in the second row it is the option price of the PE, and this red color is the option IV, and here this is the option IV of the put option. So you can see the IV is around 25 and put IV is around 29, and option price at around 10 o'clock is 62 rupees, and here at 10 o'clock it is at 145 rupees, and this bottom part is the combination of both this IV and put. So this red color is the combination of both this IV, call and put IV, and blue color is the addition price of this both call and put option. As we can see, at around 10 o'clock the combination price is 211 rupees. So let me tell you some strategy using this IV chart. So this yellow color line is the line between the yesterday data and the today data. So the last yesterday 20 minutes of data is plotted here because to find out whether there is a gap down in the straddle price and whether there is a gap up in the IV price. So one of the best strategies, whenever there is a gap up in the IV from yesterday to today, for example yesterday the IV closed at 24 rupees, but today it opened around 26 rupees. So this is very good opportunity for option sellers. So after there is some spike here, you can and also when there is a spike in the straddle IV, you can do the short strangles. For example, if you are sold at sold around here, 211 rupees is the combination of the call and put. If you are sold, it dropped till 187 rupees. It is around 24 points. So this is for option sellers. One more strategy for option buyer is you wait for the IV to drop like this. So if whenever there is a steep IV fall, so here there is IV fall, you can do long straddle. That is, you buy both the call and put option at 203 rupees. So it went till 215 rupees, and again there is huge fall, and when there is little bit up movement, you can purchase here at around 195. It went till 195 and 203. Again right now there is one steep fall. So here we got the price at around 186. From 186 it is traveling up. So mostly the price will go up from here because IV has crashed too much. So this is the straddle chart, and if you want to open strangle chart, please follow this. Click on the current week expiry. Now let's try in the bank nifty. So if you want strangle chart, click on any strike price like 22,500. Click this box. There is one rectangle box, green or blue. So click this. In the bottom right you will see something is added. And to open another pair, click on the put side box. I will open 21,000 PE. So you can see 22,500 C and 21,000 PE is added. So this is the price. So if you click the open pair, it will open the strangle chart like this. 22,500 call and 21,000 PE. As we can see, even in this strike price there is a gap up in the IV, and the IVs keep on crashing from the morning. So this is benefit. Like if you sold the strangles here from 291, it has dropped till 267. That is very good profit. So mostly this gap will be filled whenever there is gap up like this, and whenever there is a gap down, we can expect some violent move, and that day is good for long straddle. And there is a gap up in the IV, that day is good for short strangles or short straddles. So this is about the IV. Now let us look at the OI chart. So you can to see the OI chart, you can click on any of this IV. For example, for 22,000 CE, you click this IV, it will open like this. So this red color is the open interest of this 22,000 call option, and this brown color line is the IV. This blue color line is the option price of 22,000 call option, and this light orange and red color is the spot and future price of the Bank Nifty. So if you want to open everything in bulk, you can click on the scanner and click on this arrow mark. So this will open all the call option chart. So if you click on the put, it will open all the put option data. You can see that always the IV is similar pattern for all the call option. Here there is a spike, so there is spike in all the call option. Also the put option will have similar IV pattern. So you can see 21,900 PE, 21,800 PE, all have similar IV pattern. There is IV crash here. So in all the put option there is an IV crash. So this, let us see how can we interrupt the option open interest chart. So this red color is the open interest. We can see that morning there was an increase in the open interest and there is a fall in the price. Here we can see the short covering is happening in the Bank Nifty call option, so we can expect the price is going up. And you see the put option. Here we can see the put option is increasing, and this is the reverse price. So obviously it means that Bank Nifty is going up. So this is how we can interrupt call and put open interest. So think of call open interest red color line as the resistant, and put option open interest green color line as the support. Whenever the green color is increasing, the market is bullish, and whenever the red color is increasing, it means the market is bearish. To be very sure about the market, when the red color is falling and when the green color is increasing, you can be very bullish. So this is how we can interrupt call and put open interest. So that's it, guys. This is how we can look at the option open interest chart and IV chart. So if there is any doubt, please leave a comment. Thank you.